Yeah, back judge, we don't know how to use these. 2026 mechanics changes that was approved this season. We're going to start with the referee positioning. Referee pre-snap positioning. Establish a defined pre-snap position for the referee. Approved mechanic was the referee shall be in a pre-snap position when the ball is spotted and the 40-second play clock is running. Pre-snap position shall be 12 to 15 yards from the line of scrimmage, typically on the passing side of the quarterback, but may adjust to the wide side of the field based on the ball location and a play situation. Referee pre-snap positioning. Linesman and line judge movements. Section 8.1 and 8.2 in our mechanics manual. The linesman and line judge, ball to the opposite side. If the approved change after the snap, if the ball goes to the opposite side, move off the sideline, no further than the numbers till the down ends. If not responsible for the dead ball spot, move further into the dead ball officiate, okay? That's the linesman and the line judge. Still on the linesman and the line judge, ball to your side. Approved change, sound the whistle when the ball becomes dead and move off the sideline to the dead ball spot. When the spot is at or inside the numbers, the rationale on this encourages officials to move off the sideline to assist the umpire in approved dead ball officiating. Linesman and line judge still. After the snap, pass plays. Approved mechanic was read pass by observing the initial tackle action at the snap. Drifting 2 yards downfield. If the pass is in your coverage area, move downfield for optional catch or no catch. Pass interference coverage, right? If the pass is away, on the back side, on your side, if the pass is away, observe ineligible receivers beyond the expanded neutral zone. And then there's a note here. Goal line coverage inside B's 15 or A's 5 supersedes these mechanics, right? Something totally new added here is penalty communication and post-game reporting, section 9.7. The line judge penalty enforcement. In addition to the current mechanic, the line judge shall record all game fouls using a game card or recording device. Just kind of clarifying that up a little bit since the head linesman did it forever. Note, recording game fouls during the game is a courtesy, not an expectation. Rationale formally adds recording device as approved equipment, okay? Whether it's your watch or you've got a device. Line judge shall notify the league office on the game card report. Pretty straightforward. Crew penalty enforcement communication signals. Approved signal would be 1 for 5 yarder, 2 for 10, 3 for 15, and chop across the elbows half the distance, communicating that now. So Well, let me hit this next slide. So crew penalty enforcement communication. Umpire secure the ball and move to the enforcement spot. Identify and confirm the enforcement. Face the linesman and signal enforcement. What you got, or whether it's half. Administer the penalty. Confirm with the linesman before spotting the ball. Avoid stepping off yardage between lines except first and final yard. Walk briskly, signaling each yard line crossed. That's the umpire. The linesman, maintain eye contact and mirror signal. Walk with the umpire during the enforcement. Confirm enforcement distance. Prepare to move line to gain equipment. Verify your down number. Keep trainers in attendance and coaches off the field. Relay penalty information to coaches when necessary. Questions or anything? We added in the mechanics a head coach pregame script for 2026 mechanics. Pregame head coach meeting. Captains and speaking captains. Toss, choice if they win. Players legally equipped. Sportsmanship reminders. Cast or splints. Halftime length. Chain crew for the home team. Timeout designee. Penalty designee. Quarterback left or right-handed. Game balls. Ball boys. Sideline clearance. Anything we need to know, Coach? Questions for us? Trying to have some consistency there when we're meeting our head coaches. Any questions there? Pretty straightforward. Some points of emphasis that the mechanics committee and based on feedback, just points of emphasis, post-score efficiency. Maybe something in your pregame meeting with everyone. Emphasize on getting the teams back on the field promptly, following the 1 minute period after a successful field goal, PAT. Primary responsibility that can help with that will be the back judge and the heads linesman during the dead ball period. Let's get them ready, Coach. Let's play. Something we can discuss in our pregame, okay? And then also the pregame discussion for free kick, pooch kicks to discuss in pregame and adjust as needed. Talk about them in your pregame. If somebody's had this team that's all they do is pooch kick it, talk about it and adjust it. We didn't feel like we needed a mechanic change on that. We just felt like we need to be proactive in our pregame. And then facial hair, grooming standards, reinforce male grooming standards. Points of emphasis. That in. Any questions? Anything y'all want me to back a slide up, talk about it, or anything? It's important to know that as a referee, whether you want to be on his passing arm Pretty straightforward. All of these have been updated on the, in our mechanics manual on our website. Okay, so you can print these off, look at them. Any changes are going to be in red. Okay, so you can go ahead and print these off and have your updated copy. They're on our website. So any other? Thank you, guys. Appreciate what everybody does. Thank y'all.